Okay, so we're looking at how to use Splash and how to do some assessments on Splash. So when you go to your Google browser, you're going to put in the URL www.splashlearn.com, and then most of you know already you'll get to the page here that says sign in. So I'm going to click sign in. I have to choose class, and then I am going to use a whale class code, although I'll just show you right here. You need to check and make sure you use, if you're a dolphin, you're using the dolphin code. If you're a seal, you're using the seal code. If you're a shark, you're using the shark code. So make sure you have the correct class code, and then go ahead and put your class code in. So QVSVCF is the whale class code, and then you'll find the avatar that matches you. I'm using someone called Super today because this is not an actual student in whale class, but just a place where we can take a look at what you will see when you log into yours. So I've put in the specific password for this super person, which is card 20, and I'm signing in, and then you'll see it says welcome super right there, and you'll also see next up in grade 3. And you won't be able to do any regular activities until you complete these assessments here. So once assessments are given to you, you have to complete them first. So you can see I have logged in, I've checked it out already, so I am going to go back to it. So I'm going to press resume to go back to it and to look at what I need to do. And then you'll see your questions next. Okay, so we're taking a look at Splash, and we've come up on this activity. It says drag and match, and we have to add the sums together. So instead of just doing it in your head, you might want to use a piece of paper.
Okay, so even though we're doing a computer game today, I'm going to use my notebook to add together the sums that the computer wants me to do. So I'm just going to go ahead. 8 plus 1 is 9, 6 and 0 is still 6, 7 and 2 is 9, so I've done the vertical addition there. I'm going to do it on this question here. 1 plus 5 is 6, 0 plus 8 is 0, 1 plus 2 is 3, and one more question because I need to work it out before I guess at it on the computer. So 1 and 1 is 2, 6 and 3 is 9, 1 and 3 is 4. So now I'm ready to answer the questions on the computer because I've added them here first.
So I can see that this is the question here. I've worked out some of the answers, and so I am going to think, what did I just see? 285 plus 101. I know that that was going to be 386, so I'm going to find that answer down here. I'm going to drag it up there. And then I know that I worked out 768 plus 201 was 969, so I'm going to bring that over here. This one, you might as well, you can use processes of elimination. Better if you add it yourself, but it must be 492, so I'm going to go like that. Click done, and then I'm going to move on to the next activity, and that's how we do our adding.